Welcome guys, this is Cooking with Conchita and today we are making water horchata, and since I like to give you guys different options, this is a second video. I already have my first video and the link will be under the description box below. So for this recipe we are using 1 cup of white rice, 1 cup of hot water and 1 cinnamon stick. I love to use a lot of cinnamon for the horchata water, but for this recipe I think that 1 stick is perfect. So the white rice and the cinnamon, they need to soak in water. 4 hours is enough because we're using hot water. Okay, a lot of people like to leave it overnight, but it's not necessary. You can just leave it for 4 hours and it will be perfect. You also need 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. The condensed milk is the sweet one. And we also need some vanilla. And now you need to blend the cinnamon and the rice together. Okay, so now pour this into a container, and as you can see here, I am not using a strainer, and the reason why is because I use my Vitamix blender. And add the rest of the ingredients. I added only 1 can of this condensed milk, but if you don't think it's sweet enough, you can add sugar, regular sugar, or maybe you can add more of this condensed milk. Add the vanilla and mix just a little bit. And then add 3 cups of cold water. This is 1 cup. And now let's mix it and mix it really good. And then we need to add 1 cup of whole milk. And mix it again. And this horchata, it's ready. Now you can serve it with ice or without ice. I love mine with ice, especially in the summertime. And just to remind you, I like to give you guys different choices. So I do have the other video under the description box below. It's a different way of making horchata, but it tastes really good. And I am also using a special ingredient that you are going to love. I want to thank you guys for spending time with me. I really do appreciate it very much, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios.